Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode I want to show you how I make easy peasy potatoes fritters. It's gonna be crispier as you're gonna love it. You're just gonna love it, and required very simple ingredient you may have in the fridge or in the pantry. In this bowl I have potatoes already grated, and in this plate I have besan, plain flour, just pinch of turmeric powder. You can use yellow food color if you don't want to use turmeric powder, baking soda, and salt. I'm gonna add this to the potatoes, all the dry ingredient, and then over here I have fresh chopped green onion, fresh chopped coriander, one small onion finely diced, and chopped green chilies. They're really hot. If you don't want to eat spicy, then you may avoid the chili. Don't add any green chilies, but trust me, it is super delicious. It's not overpowering with the spicy, and what you can do is just make some mild and some is spicy. So right now what I'm doing is mixing the dry ingredient with the grated potatoes, just like that. Okay, this is what we're gonna do first. We also need some water, just regular tap water. And now I'm gonna add my onion, chilies, green onion, chopped coriander. In the meantime, what you're gonna do is just preheat the oil over medium-high heat. Once you mix all of these, it is so ready to go fry. Okay guys, now this look is sticky, so we don't need too much water. We're gonna add just a little bit. Add a tablespoon at a time and then mix. If you need more, then you're gonna add more, but this is not going to be like any kind of bhaja. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more, so in total about 2 tablespoons of water so far I have added. Okay, just until everything combine and they come together in your hand, so when they go fry they're not gonna break in the oil. Okay, I'm gonna add another tablespoon of water. I'm eyeballing it, so about 3 tablespoons of water, and that should be good. Okay, so that's it. This is all the consistency we are looking for, and now the oil is ready, and now let's go fry them. Okay, my oil is ready. I'm using this ice cream scoop. You can use hand, you can use 2 spoons to do this, 2 tablespoons. And what I'm gonna do is, I think this is much more easier for this dish, for this fritters especially. And then we're just gonna drop. No need to be round. This does not stay round, so that's why it doesn't really matter. You use hand or spoon, and then we're just gonna keep dropping them. Don't over crowded the pan. If you add too much, the oil temperature gonna drop and they will absorb oil. Okay guys, it's been 3 minutes. Like, this will take a little more time to fry because we are making this crispier. So in 3 minutes you can see now we still can see little raw butter. So this is why you're gonna take a fork and gently you're gonna flip them so they will not fall apart, which they won't if they are really firm before you turn it. But we want this to cook evenly everywhere, and we want this to be the crispiest of our fritters. And now we're gonna let this fry until we see those gorgeous brown color and at the same time crispier. It's been 10 minutes and the heat is still over medium high. And now it's time to remove these fritters as they are golden brown and also crispy. You guys can hear it. Just take your fork and tap on it. Try to drain the oil completely. Goes on a plate with paper towel. Now I'm gonna remove this batch and fry the second batch. Okay guys, I'm excited. I just want you to hear the noise. Just hear it. So good. This is perfect for Ramadan. I bet you're gonna make this once and you're gonna make it over and over and over. This does not absorb oil. It is like super dry. When you're eating, you don't see oil, and it is super chewy on the inside and super crunchy on the outside. The best fritters ever. Written ingredient will be down below in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.